Hello everyone, my name is Kapil and this YouTube series I am going to talk about AI with frontend. As you can see, I've been building this AI Frontend Playground master playlist. If you already know React, here is how to add AI to it. One feature at a time, fully shippable. Every AI tutorial shows you a chatbot in a blank project and calls it a day. That's not how real product works. Real product needs search that understand meaning, forms that validate the intent, widgets that drop into the existing layout, and tools that generate UI you can actually ship. This playlist is a free open source playground where we build all of it in Next.js with the Vercel AI SDK. So we're gonna take on each episode at a time. This playlist for AI Frontend Playground is of two series, Series A and Series B. In Series A, AI primitives in React, the drop-in feature every modern app needs, like the semantic search, streaming autocomplete, AI form validation, a floating chat widget, vision alt text, text rewriting, structured code review, rag over any URL, and in total of 8 episodes. Each one is a one hook, one API, one route, one component. You can copy an episode into your own app in any afternoon. While Series B is a generative UI and builders, AI that doesn't just answer your question, it builds interfaces, landing pages, stream to a JSX, drag and drop component builders, a brand color system, a PDF resume screening, a voice to the component, JSON API explainer, social media post rewriting for 3 platforms at once. This is where AI stops being a sidebar and start being a creative tool. We are going to follow the same stack throughout. To follow along, use this GitHub repository. Everything is in one repo. Clone it. Add your OpenAPI key to environment variable. Run npm install npm dev and you are good to go. Every episode adds a new route which will be followed and you will be able to see when you entirely follow the episodes. The home page is your map. Watch an episode, open that route, break it, rebuild it, and steal the pattern. You don't need to watch in order, but Series A from episode 1 through 4 teach the core SDK patterns that everything else builds on. Embedding, streaming, structured outputs, and use chat. If you're new to the Vercel AI SDK, start there. Each episode is 15 to 20 minutes. We write real code, no slides, and at the end of every episode, you have something that works. Not a proof of concept, but a feature. So stay tuned for the coming episodes. Link to the repositories and every episode are in the description. Series A starts with a semantic search. Typing a question in plain English and getting result by meaning, not the keyword. Looking forward for it. Thank you.